Hello again, BizHack. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Facebook pixel. Again, the pixel is the little snippet of code that you're going to create and add to your website. So that way you can begin tracking who's been visiting your website and you can retarget them on Facebook or Instagram. So this is, the way you arrive here is only after you've already created a business manager account. So if you have not yet done so, be sure to go back and watch the video on how to create a business manager account. If you do have one, then once you're logged in, what you're going to have to do is click on the hamburger menu on the top left-hand corner, and then scroll down to move your mouse over the All Tools option over here so that the rest of the menu expands. From here, you're going to go under the Measure and Report column, and you're going to click on the Pixels link right over here. When you click there, that's going to bring you to this screen I already have open. And to create a pixel, all you're going to do is simply click on the Create a Pixel button, that green button at the bottom of the screen right there. So go ahead and create pixel. You're going to then enter the URL. It's optional, but you can enter the URL that you intend on installing the pixel in. And then you're going to click Create. Now from here, there's going to be different routes to take. So I'll explain each one, and then you choose the one that applies for you. If your website is built on a CMS system, like a Shopify, like a Squarespace, like a Wix, WooCommerce, any of these template-based CMS systems, then go ahead and click on that first option. All you're really going to need, most of those systems already have a field in which you simply have to enter your pixel ID number, which I'll show you how to find in a moment. So you're going to select whichever one of these applies to you, and then they're going to display the instructions on how to install the pixel. But the one thing you will have to have ready is this pixel ID number. So notice how when you move your cursor over it, you can just click on it to copy it and then paste it wherever you need to on your CMS system. So that is by and large the easiest way to do it, just with the pixel ID number. If not, if you're not working with any of these partners or platforms, then you'll have to manually install the code yourself. Then what you're going to do is click on this second option. There, you're going to see the actual code displayed for you. Just follow the instructions. It's going to tell you exactly where to place it. If you're not sure how to do this, just hand it off to a developer. They'll know exactly what to do with this. So all you're going to do is just copy it. You can then paste it, in the appropriate section in the header section of your website. So again, if you're not sure how to do that, just hand it off to a developer. In fact, if you notice, there's an email instructions button on the bottom of this window. If you click email instructions, you'll get this option displayed to you, in which you can simply enter your developer's email and send them the instructions on how to install the pixel. And again, they'll know exactly how to manage this and how to deal with it. Scroll to the bottom, hit send, and you're done, and let your developer handle it. And that is essentially it. So choose, again, just to quickly recap, two options. You can use, if you work with any of these platforms, then just select the one that applies to you to get the instructions on how to install the pixel on that platform. Again, the one thing you will need to have ready is your pixel ID number. So just come back here, click on it to copy it. Or you can also try to manually install it yourself, or you can just choose a third option and email it to a developer like I just showed you a moment ago. All right, hope this helps. I'll see you in class soon. Take care.